Mahut Minister Thonabjam Shyamkumar declares that new building bylaws First Amendment 2019 allows construction of buildings up to 7 stories in the state. CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam says authorities concerned have been apprised to take necessary investigations regarding supply of leak and expired gas cylinders. And 48 hours economic blockade jointly called by Old Tribal Sandstone Labour Association, Moray and Golden Tipper Honour Association called off till October 9. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Sunday Prime Time. I am Lighting Monica with the latest news updates. Municipal Administration, Housing and Urban Development Mahut Minister Thonabjam Shyamkumar declared that as per the Imphal Municipal Council Building Bylaws First Amendment 2019, constructions of buildings up to 7 stories in the state has been approved from this year onwards. Speaking to media at the minister's quarter today, Minister Shyamkumar says that the resolution was taken considering the increasing number of population and to save the agricultural lands of the state. Asserting that it is mandatory for the house owner to acquire permissions from the experts and authorities concerned in the construction process of a house, the minister maintained that legal actions will be taken above those owners whose house is found illegally constructed. Mentioning that people have sustained injuries and killed in building collapse incidents in Imphal city, he declared that legal actions will be taken starting October 15 upon those individuals who has prohibited Mahut Department's notification to submit forms including details of when the building was constructed to the IMC. He notified that the owners of the illegal makeshifts and those carrying out shops construction in the footpath to evict within the deadline.
Maru na pandamdi building maten tet mak sabi abi permission ji kari ki piri bano na habida Manipur ji 90% di hiloiba 10% ji belly oiba 10% belly jang si de khoi labuk agriculture le mam yim je lo na sakala pa haitare adana ngasi tawbadi sakalai mam je leibam naita badagi permission du sakana permission pi de badagi mathon chaung wang sa khra gadi koi yum machi manon manga tur po su pun pun dum leibiya ba adugi sakbiya tamina adum problem de am hongtona bangak tani agriculture le koi mahe marong thab sinjak ki thab da sep tong na ba hai permission asi pi bani mayam na koi sarkar gi ain mayam si ngakpiyo akhoi na hingbada am hiram khudi makta lo ma leibisna lo sina koi khudi makki makhada leibani.
48 hours economic blockage jointly called by Old Tribal Sandstone Labour Association, Moray and Golden Tipper Honour Association has called off till October 9. The resolution was brought after a meeting held among Technopol ADC, representatives of Forest Department and Forest Minister at Moray Police IB this evening. It may be recalled that the economic blockade was called against the ban of sandstone mining and transportation from Moray. During the blockade, the supporters halted vehicles coming from Imphal near Moray College along Imphal-Moray Road and checked the vehicles. Those vehicles found coming from Moray were also checked and sent back to Moray. Goods carried by Moray Commando were also dragged down on the roads.
If the assurances given by the government officials concerned is not met, is not put into practice or is not translated, then the agitators will be constrained to take up much more heavier agitation, like not only economic blockade, chakaban will be imposed.
Unknown miscreants exploded a bomb near Moray Police Station at Moray Town in Indo-Myanmar border last night. Impact News sources said that the explosion occurred around 10 p.m. Upon getting the information, additional SP operation of Moray M. Amit, Moray Police OC led Khohau, including police personnel and Colonel of 43rd Assam Rifles Sumit Sood, rushed at the spot and conducted search operations. No splinter cell were found, but the team recovered a 2 AA battery cell and few plastics suspected to have wrapped the bomb. Moray Police Station has registered a case and investigations are underway. No outfits has claimed responsibility of the incident so far, and it may be stated that this is the second bomb blast by unknown miscreants at Moreh police station. Twelfth Assam Rifles seized 600 grams of brown sugar worth 1 crore and 20 lakh rupees in the international market along the Imphal-Moreh road around 2 a.m. in the wee hours today. According to Impact News sources, 12th Assam Rifles found the drug in an area of a jungle few places away from permanent vehicle checkpost Khuding Thabi. Acting on a tip-off, the 12th Assam Rifles conducted search operations at the area. The Assam Rifles team, upon seeing some individuals at the area, went after them. However, the miscreants fled, leaving behind the drugs. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam informed that authorities concerned have been apprised to take necessary investigations upon the claims made by the public asserting of supplying leak, expired gas cylinders and minimum oil in the pumps. He was speaking at the distribution of MLA Local Area Development Fund and inauguration of a newly constructed waiting shed at Langtabal Khopum in Imphal West today. Minister Karam Shyam says that authorities concerned have been informed to conduct a spot inquiry of the incident and submit an exec report within this evening. He asserted that definite actions will be taken if any illegal actions is detected in the report. He stressed the need for the people and the state leaders to work honestly and fairly for the development and welfare of the state.
Concern Oiriva Kevin BT Director, Masi Sunday Uragasu, Aduga Uzi, IOC Deputy General Manager, Joint Team Masalaga, Complaint Louis Matuina, Sport Verification Tau, Adugamara Labels Muna Action Local Law, Adugi Kayumba, Lana Tawaragana, Kanaumana Allegation Tawaragana, Mediagi Kutanga, Azana Clarification Pioma High Valere, Complaint or Natragana Baram Sana Harripo Kudimate, Equilang Pamoina, Matam Chupada, Honor Tawani, the Wimal Kambo Chari, Tagat Chari, the Wudabu, Masinum Down Bogi Manunda, I saw the report. We all Sunday workers to talk to them, Havagi, a convey instruction Nama, Equal.
Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam made history by distributing the money of Local Area Development Fund of Langtabal to the people of the polling station today. The Local Area Development Funds were handed over to respective polling voice committees at the Chajing Mairel Khong Community Hall in Langtabal. Minister Shyam distributed the funds to 16 committees for the first phase. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Shyam said that it is the duty of every MLAs and ministers to distribute the funds with 100% transparency to the people. He appealed representatives of people to look into the deficiency of the people for a developed state.
Razagi Tabak Tobakanda, Tamoishing, Tabak Torakanda, Razagi South Torama Pagani, Maduna, a koi Kudimaki, Mai Pakani, Hanadi, a koi whole Kendra Beneficiary Central Committee, Amat Siamagatobani, Matangagi, Nasisi 75%, Ozi, Lehori 25% account transfer Taudragati, Nasi Narang latest Thopa, notification bank, Hamagi Matungina, 2 crore Sahim the Kaiva Taragadi, account Namada, 2% Kapagi Port Lakonina, account transfer in a Togani, Aduna Nasi Pangiri, Kudimana, account Mamam. Sinjamaigi Urban Cooperative Bank Hangbiraga account transfer to Dragati Madugi with the 2 lakhs to Mangjabala Yadamina Adugi Tabakuma Tobinaba Maduma Apil Togeri.
Thangmaiban MLA Khomukcham Joy Kishan appealed to the 60 MLAs of the state to work honestly in the voter identification process going on and not to carry out works just to get votes. Speaking to media in a press meet held at his residence today, MLA Joy Kishan says that complaints from people arise as respective BLOs working at various constituencies are not working honestly. Above this, complaints of enrollment in voter list for people who does not reside in the state under the pretext of ordinary residential certificate were also raised. He expressed discontentment over the failure of the Election Commission to look into such matter. MLA Joy Kishan warned of legal action against those BLO concerned of Thangmaiban if found enrolling any non-Manipuri in the voter list. He also expressed disappointment over the influx of non-Manipuri through airport and the national highway daily. He further stated that even the government look into the matter only when there is mass protest by people regarding the matter. Joy Kishan urged the civil society organizations to take befitted rules in such instance.
Manipur di si Amit Shah bore Ram Madhav bore Hemant Biswas lakpa matamda ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯀꯦꯞꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯕꯣꯏꯀꯣꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯉꯝꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯌꯨꯆꯔꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯦꯅꯤꯛꯀꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯐꯝꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯚꯣꯇꯔ ꯂꯤꯁ ꯆꯜꯂꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯇ ꯂꯣꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯇ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯤꯅꯔꯤ ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯨꯝꯕꯥꯏꯗ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯀꯜꯀꯇꯥꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯂꯝ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯂꯝꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯁꯥꯅ ꯃꯌꯨꯝ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯇꯦꯅꯥꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯚꯔꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯁꯤꯡꯖꯃꯩꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯄꯨꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯋꯥꯍꯦꯡ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯗ ꯎꯔꯤꯄꯣꯛꯇ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯃꯄꯥꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣ ꯊꯥꯡꯃꯩꯕꯟꯒꯤ ꯚꯣꯇꯔꯅꯦꯅ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ?
Speaking further, MLA Joy Kishan urged the state government to stop hiding the facts regarding the unnatural deaths of the girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School along with the school authority. He asserted that such acts will lead to intense agitation against the government. MLA Joy Kishan demanded to hand over the case to CBI as per assured by Chief Minister Nongthombam Birane in the Assembly House. He also demanded to award befitted punishment to the school authority apprehended by the police at the earliest.
Paliba lenga asina school ki principal, administrator, warden mioi manga hujik jail da marangi matungina jail la thammi. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯥ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯃꯔꯥ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯔꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯖꯦꯜꯗ ꯊꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯊꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯔꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗꯨꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯊꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯒ ꯅꯦꯛꯁꯁ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯀꯩ ꯂꯩꯒꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯕꯤꯕꯤꯁꯅꯥ ꯃꯤꯍꯥꯠꯇ ꯊꯤꯖꯤꯟꯕꯗ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯆꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯦ ꯅꯥꯊꯩꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯩꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯂꯦꯡꯐꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯔꯖ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ.
Women folks of Wangkai Soibam Lekai Apunbam Maira Paibi carried out protest demonstration at Citizen Club today, condemning the throwing of bomb at the residence of one Hanzabam Prem Kumar from Wangkai Kuno Soibam Lekai. Speaking to media, one member of the organization, Sanatampa Rajkumari, condemned the act and appealed not to repeat such act in the future. She further demanded those concerned to clarify regarding the incident. It may be mentioned that the incident happened around 10 p.m. last night. No casualties were reported in the incident.
Yeknabada thagadaba khulaiduna misam ani ahum asopan yauna siwa yauragadi madugi daita kanana pubigani aduna masi matungda amwana tawbidanaba amadi kari maramdagi hairiba nungaitaba leibana ekhoigi mirakta bhom silangsan birino haina amutang sengdokpiro haina wafam se thamjari.
Candidates of TET exam drew the attention of the concerned authorities to provide a center for the TET exam to be held in November at Ziribam district as well. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Ziribam Higher Secondary School in Ziribam today, one candidate says that Imphal is far away from Ziribam. He added more than 200 aspiring TET exam candidates are there in Ziribam. Mentioning the inconveniences facing the candidates while travelling till Imphal, the candidate demanded to provide a TET center in Ziribam.
Jiribamda candidate sani leibangda leiribasina apply loina tawraga thaba taradi jiribamso candidate sani aibasi yamna yamaba matik charaba center ama pibada oithokpa yaraba adugumba level amada leiba nina tet exam sibu sinbiriba ekhoi board of secondary education Manipur gi mari leina bo thoje koina haijiribasi jiribamda ekhoi masigi reasonable oiba candidate leirabanina tangai fadana jiribamsida lakadariba November thakadariba tet exam sigi center asi jiribamda soidana PBU.
A dead body was found entangled in a fishing net at Imphal River and Lake Prakpam Mayai Lekai area under Wangoi Police Station in Imphal West District today. The deceased is 27-year-old Yumlembam Paikomba, son of late Sunda from Iram Sipai, Awang Lekai. Sources said that people of the area found the dead body around 5 this morning. Upon informing the police, a team of Wangoi police rushed to the spot for investigation. Wangoi police has registered a case for further investigation and the body is kept at RIMS mortuary. Thangmaiban MLA Khomukcham Joykishan provided financial assistance to staff reporter of Puknafam, the Rangbam mission from Wangkai Angom Lekai in Wangkai constituency today. The Rangbam mission met with an accident on his way home near MSPDCL office in Kaisampat on October 2. He underwent a hand operation and has been confined to bed since. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on people of Hindu community celebrating the third day of Durga Puja festival, Bor, with religious fervor and gaiety. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime News. People of Hindu community held the third day of Durga Puja festival, Bor, with religious fervor and gaiety across the state today. Devotees thronged the Hyangthang Lairimbi temple and nearby Durga temples to offer prayers and seek blessings since early this morning. Manipur police kept a strict vigil in the area to avoid any untoward incidents. Red Cross Society and State Medical Department also dispatched ambulances for emergency medical services. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar, MLA Nahakpam Indrajit and many eminent persons participated and came to offer prayer at the temple.
Lai mai bi magi thawon tawjaboi na khoina adum chahi khudingi chahi tara manga mu sure bako khoina lai da kano toroga khogi kher ke ka ka charaga khoina phanamora isingumba khoina jum kachaba ado khoi hauji ngasi diam nungai ai da mana imagi mingda khoina kitang kano tobangam jaba mana kapangam jaba duga khoina imagi thawon tawjabangam ba se matung da su adum khoina hek hingiba makai di tobangam janaba adum tawbangam pinabi haina haijage
pasmaina khoi di aham bla pauna manga da kai khan bane ba ado yam phajana adum niyom niti nai khom thambam mafam chana adagi lai khor phang je phajana adum changbanga me yam phajan yam nungai je tawda bo khoi pung ahum dagi khoi changba yaroi na haibdi khoi mapan da tu sor ka phom thopa kacharaga pung ahum bodi ngai bangam dabni na adumai toroga khoi lai angang jinji
khoi imung manung amadi khoi ipuroi baga pulab lai isa sho amadi ise singji ga duga matung da su tek ta kai da ba chahi khudingi anaya yagde pulsinu changna lai jibu khoram bangam bo je popina bi lai khuramba lai bai sagi mangoni lai.
Traffic police also initiated various preventive measures to avoid road accidents. Speaking on the sidelines, additional SP of Traffic Police Y. Joyraj lauded the traffic police for their relentless efforts to prevent any accidents.
Sigi Borgi celebration gi oina khoigi cut off mafam da tawraga hana su tawba do maina club sigi organizing committee ga pullaga pura makhong da ma sonakan chandra nadi aduga kainorom da samuro machinda ma aduga sonakan gi kaino ta gi ba kari school college sama leibido adai da thatlaga adomain tawraga moigi invitees ka khar sanghalaga adomaina sen bane aduna mayam da inconvenience khara budi langani du so mayam gi celebration gi festive mood ki soidangam dana ba adum khoi man power fazana deploy tawraga traffic hoji pakti mamanga compare to budadi yam fazana flow da di challian na tha.
RKCS Museum of Crafts organized a painting competition for students in observance of the 95th birth anniversary of late renowned artist R.K. Chandrajit Sana Singh, popularly known as RKCS, at his residence in Kaisamthong today. Around 150 students from class 3 to 10 from various schools participated in the competition. The competition is being held in remembrance of the roles taken by RKCS in the field of painting. Winners of the competition will be felicitated on October 13. Assam Rifles Sangsak Battalion under 10 Sector Assam Rifles Headquarter Inspector General Assam Rifles South apprehended a United Naga People's Council UNPC cadre from Litan village in Ukhrul district today. The individual is identified as Wisdom Hyung-ho from Laiharoram village in Kamjong district. He was apprehended from Litan vehicle checkpost on his way to Imphal from Nungsang village. The cadre was handed over to Litan police station for further investigation. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee organized one-day seminar in commemoration of the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi today. Leaders, MLAs and former MLAs of the party attended the event held at Congress Bhavan. Speaking on the occasion, former Deputy Chief Minister Kam Nungba MLA and who is also the President of MPCC says that no words will be enough to praise Mahatma Gandhi. He also expressed the need to follow the footsteps of Gandhi. Former Minister and MPCC Vice President Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar was the moderator of the seminar. Retired Professor K.S.H. Bimola spoke as a resource person on the topic Mahatma Gandhi as the champion of non-violence movement during the first session. Dr. M. Ramananda from Mal College under University of Delhi spoke on the topic Mahatma Gandhi eradication of untouchability in promoting unity in diverse India. MPCC General Secretary K.H. Devabratras acted as the moderator during the second phase. MU Professor Amar Yumnam spoke as a resource person on the topic Mahatma Gandhi and contemporary development thinking, while Dr. Chinglen Maisnam spoke on Mahatma Gandhi's view of rural self-sufficiency and present-day agrarian crisis.
Any religion any teaching philosophy based on truth and non-violence is nothing but is a divine message. Mahatma Gandhi Hindu he's a Bakra Hindu. My Hindu way Islam and the Christian and other religions equally worship the way.
President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Gai Khangam said Mahatma Gandhi was not a political leader but a messenger of ahimsa who tried to unite all the different communities for a peaceful and developed nation. He was speaking at state-level sport painting competition held at Nomaibung Multipurpose Hall today. City District Youth Congress Committee organized a competition in regard to the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Speaking at the event, Gai Khangam said that discussion on ideas and life of Mahatma Gandhi will be unending. He asserted that following Gandhi's footsteps will bring a non-violent and peaceful society. Maintaining that every family, every society and every individual has a role in development of a society, he asserted that public are created by single individuals. Gaikhangam further appealed public to take befitting roles in making our society a better one.
God fearing over, Ishor Bukir Satpa, Natabalam Satsataba, Achumba Pamba, violence, Tadopa, Hingsa se Tadoaga, Ahingsa se Asda Tazapa, Madu Amamam Oibakanda, Maduna Afabimung Oirakani, Madumba, Afaba, Muishing Saba, family, Imungadana, Afaba Kun Abadilikaima, Semapa, Adugamamayam state Ama, Nation Ama Samapakanda, Sabasada, Ing the Tapna Panba, Sambasaba Oigani.
All Manipur Medical Students Association held its 40th annual Freshers' Day at Hotel Imphal today. Speaking on the occasion, Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Yumnam Khemchan appealed to medical students to be a good doctor. Freshers introduced themselves and interacted with the senior doctors of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences (RIMS) and first-year postgraduates of RIMS were also accorded a warm welcome during the program. Meritorious students were also felicitated, and an annual magazine entitled Kongtang was also released in the event.
Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ji na Ayushman Bharat ki scheme ko hokdoktana laisi masi yam thakani ni Manipur ki honorable chief minister na kogi halsel gi tengbang kaina hokdore isi masi asobo mateng amoi ai whole singjame kendra sida lising amaga samri ga nipu mari Ayushman Bharat ki card aina health department ka ay yumda loina salaga yanthokali so around 40% amadi asagi under property line da leitaba even doctor ki profession da leiba yaurami kogi census da wibala ko kangbo dusu karai dang phammaga mana khanaba amani da angka hola sakibani na magi mi pap da hapsala sakiba ai gi thabakta adi honesty kitang sumna tawasi sangi doctor zu afaba doctor leini pataba doctor leini politician zu afaba leini pataba leini hago leiba medical students ina afaba doctor oiviu.
Students held a discussion program on the third day of the 4 days Polaris International Model United Nations, participated by more than 170 students from various CBSE schools in the state, organized by Maria Montessori School, Korengai. Students represented different countries and spoke on the issues facing in various parts of the world. The students held the discussion program by dividing into 5 groups. They are United Nations Environment Assembly, All India Political Parties Meet, Federation International Football Association, International Press Corps and Social, Humanitarian and Cultural Committee. Speaking at the event, General Secretary of International Press Corps, Veno Rudrupra, said that the event organized by Maria Montessori School will provide great advantage to the students. She had added that most importantly, the students will have an idea on how leaders of various countries spoke their ideas at United Nations. Rudupra also asserted that such events will also provide new ideas to the students.
Students from all over the state, and as you may have already seen, they have great performance, they have great zeal, and we owe this all to our partners and our collaboration with Maria Montessori School. The idea of it is to bring in a voice of concern so that the youth of our states have the awareness that they can generate to know about different issues that are going on around the world, and to understand that they do have a voice to speak and they can impact and make a change within the grassroots levels in itself.
Office of Kakching Municipal Council organized a competition where the one who collects the highest amount of plastic wins. Councillor P. Sanahal's team of Kakching Ward No. 4 bagged the first position and a cash award of 10,000 rupees by collecting 450 kgs of plastic, and other teams were also felicitated with cash awards. Kakching Municipal Council organized the competition as a part of Prime Minister's scheme for a free single-use plastic country. Chairperson of Kakching Municipal Council, Naurem Sanjit Kumar, announced that the competition will be held every 3 months. Titular King of Manipur, Laisemba Sanajauba, inaugurated a shop entitled Bachu Unique Creation at Mahabali and Imphal East today. The shop will avail varieties of cultural items, including attires, to the public. Speaking at the inaugural event, Titula King Laisemba Sana Jauba lauded Bachu Unique Creation for availing various traditional items at cheap rate amidst the issue of losing of our culture in this modern world. Proprietor of the shop cum designer Bachu says that shops will avail various traditional attires and luxurious items for both male and female.
Unique harisya madam sai yam unique oiba ekoi phirol sing nupi singi maroina aduga amuksu koi nupa singi sila salai koyet ka leiriba salai gi masu mayam gi koyet ka leiriba sigum yam unique oiba koi gi inat ka mari na pochi mayam mama manamasi yokhatning bagi ngamasi hingal aning bagi loinana asi anoba mirolda khanghaning bagi aduga mafam matam chana masi koi gi showcase tawna bagi adu mai pandamda bachuna tawbase thamoi sengna ai thagasari.
Mayang Imphal MLA cum Deputy Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly K. Robindro and Chairman of Manipur Building and other construction worker welfare board cum Sekmai MLA H. Dingo jointly inaugurated a showroom entitled Mangang Fizul, inaugurated at Tera Sayang Pukri, Achoba Mapal today. The showroom will operate at Sukam Enterprise. Speaking to media, proprietor of Mangang Fizol, S. Devjani, said that Manipur handloom weavers are facing inconveniences due to improper market. She added that the showroom will collect final products weaved by handloom artists across the state. Devjani also said that the showroom will provide discounts on both male and female attires for the upcoming Ningol Chakoba festival.
दुकान सिदा खोगी हैंडलूम की प्रोडक्ट ngay loi phangani haidi nupa gi su yawarni kurta gumba ko adagi di kai nupi gi da haiga di rani phi gumba adagi di phi ge handloom gi thabak ngay di loi phangani haita khogi phi sabi myam oji aduki matik yam gre ko sigi myam si le khoina phi kai gumba yon taragadi phi sabi myam sigi awa su ko ani aduna masi gumba sida kitang mateng pangjaring dana aisu masi tokjabadi.
Kalakshetra Academy kicked off their one-year-long Golden Jubilee celebration at the auditorium of the Academy today. Third Remembrance Day of late Padma Bhushan awardee Haisnam Kanhailal, former founder-director of Kalakshetra, was also held at the program. A premiere show on the new drama produced by the theatre entitled Yamata Amasung Kaibu Kaioiba, who is a combination of a Japanese folklore, Yamata, and Manipur's folklore, Kaibu Kaioiba, was also performed. Ambassador of Iowa Manipur, Mrs. Iowa India 2017, Asha Kiran Konsum, felicitated Manipuri lady Cherishma Laimapokpam at Sangai Hotel in Nagamapal today. Cherishma Laimapokpam bagged Miss Fitness title in Miss and Mrs. Iowa India 2019, held at Mumbai on September 28. She also achieved Miss Fashion Icon title in the Miss and Mrs. Globe India 2019, held at Delhi on June 29. Lining Thau Sanamahi Sanapung LSSP held the Nachom Semba, Cheng Khaiba and Cheng Khappa event of the 4th Maitai Chanu Contest 2019 at Nomaijing Ching in Imphal East District today. Contestants of the pageant competed with each other in the said events. The remaining events of the contest will be held in various parts of the state. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Health Minister Thanagam Syam Kumar declares that new building bylaws First Amendment 2019 allows construction of buildings up to 7 stories in the state. CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham says authorities concerned have been apprised to take necessary investigations regarding supply of leak and expired gas cylinders. And 48-hour economic blockade jointly called by all tribal Sandstone Labour Association, Moray and Golden Tipper Honour Association called off till October 9.